So then guys, we are a matter of weeks away now from the launch of the iPhone 17 model. So this includes the normal iPhone 17, the brand new iPhone 17 Air, and of course the iPhone 17 Pro and the 17 Pro Max. But today I want to focus on 8 of the best leaks we heard about for the normal iPhone 17, because this year it looks like the normal iPhone 17 is going to get a lot of love inside of it. And first of all, what I want to talk to you about is the first big important change, and that is all to do with the actual design of the iPhone 17 normal. Now, looking here on my desk, what I've got right here with these brand new iPhone 17s, they might look identical to the normal iPhone 16. Well, they are in the actual design how they look, but the actual sizing has changed of these, and that's because we've been told that we're going to be getting a brand new screen size for the iPhone 17 normal this time round. In previous years, ever since say the iPhone XS, the iPhone 11 and onwards, we've had a 6.1 inch display, but it looks like for the first time ever, Apple are changing the normal iPhone to go up to a 6.3 inch display. And this is really exciting to see, because this would be essentially the same size as the iPhone 16 Pro and the upcoming iPhone 17 Pro, so a slightly larger display there, and that does mean the chassis is also slightly larger this time round. But then, as you may have also noticed on my desk right here, is that we also have some new colors, and this is the second big upgrade that we are getting for the iPhone 17s. We're going to be getting this new kind of pinky kind of purple color, and also this new kind of lime green color too. And then we're also going to get the same kind of blue color that we had with the iPhone 16, and we're also going to say the black and white colors as well. But the main thing is that Apple introducing 2 brand new colors this time around for the normal iPhone 17. Now, moving on from this, for the third important upgrade you need to hear about, and that is all to do with the actual battery. You know how I mentioned that the screen's getting slightly bigger and the actual design and the chassis is slightly bigger this time around the iPhone 17s? Well, this does also mean there's more space inside of the normal iPhone 17, so this means a larger capacity battery is going inside of it. And it also, as you can see right here, you can see the actual sizing of the batteries in its milliamp, and we are going to get a slightly bigger battery put inside of its phone, so that means your battery life will last even longer than what we had with say the iPhone 16 normal right now. But then for the fourth big upgrade we've heard about, and this also helps with the battery life, is that we're also going to be getting the brand new A19 chip put inside of this phone. It will not be the A19 Pro, but the new A19 is probably going to be around about 25% faster than what we got with the A18. So this is overall in GPU, CPU, NPU kind of speeds, but most importantly for that battery life is the efficiencies. The efficiencies of the A19 is going to be even better this time round, so you'll be able to get faster speeds and better battery life with that too. And that also, funny enough, leads me on to the fifth big upgrade, and that is we're also going to get the likes of say a C1 chip put inside of this phone, or a modified version of the C1 chip. So this basically means that 5G connectivity, that 5G modem, also Bluetooth connectivity, and also the wireless speeds as well when you connect to Wi-Fi. This is all now made by Apple. They don't go out there to get a chip now. They actually make it in-house, and this again will help with battery life. Do remember the likes of the iPhone 16e, that was the first phone to get this, and look at the massive improvement gains we got in battery life. And this is coming along to the iPhone 17 normal this time round. So this is fantastic news to hear. But just quickly guys, I want to tell you about the channel giveaway for this right here. I'm giving away an iPad Pro at the end of September time. And this is no ordinary iPad Pro. This is a spec'd up one. This is a 13-inch model with a tandem OLED display. But the big difference is this has 1 terabyte of storage inside of it. So what that means is you've got ample amounts of space of storage for an iPad. Plus, you've also got, I like to call it the full fat M4. So this is the 10-core CPU, the 10-core GPU. It's not a bin down version. And you've also got 16 gigabytes of RAM inside of this iPad Pro because of that configuration. And not only this, it's not just the Wi-Fi version, it's the Wi-Fi and cellular, so you can take it out and about with you. And I'm going to be giving this away to one lucky subscriber, like I said, at the end of September time. And all you have to do to enter in is just be a subscriber and also put down into the comments below at this stage of what technology gear you're hoping to get in 2025. Maybe it is going to be a new iPad, maybe it's going to be a new iPhone, maybe it's going to be a new Mac laptop, maybe it's going to be something completely different like a Nintendo Switch 2 or something else. Well, just let me know in the comments below right now. Now, the other part of the giveaway is going to be happening at the end of September time, where I'll be making a video on this channel giving you even more details about the giveaway and also a form to fill in too. So make sure, if you haven't done so already, to subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, because you won't want to miss out on that video, because it'll also give you the detail when I'm going to do the live stream of this iPad Pro to give it away. Now, the last thing I just want to quickly say to you guys is, sadly, there are still lots of spammers and scammers out there. People still impersonating me, sending to WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram direct message. Please do ignore these people. Best you can see right here. Please do report them. So, moving on from this then, for the 6th big upgrade we've heard about going into the phones, that's all to do with cameras, and the rear camera specifically. So, in previous years, like what we had with, say, the iPhone 16, we had a 48 megapixel wide camera and a 12 megapixel ultra wide. But this time round, we're going to get an upgrade here. We're going to get 48 megapixels added both to the ultra wide and also the wide. Very similar to like what we had with the iPhone 16 Pro and also the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is great news to hear that your ultra wide shots are going to be even better in low light. You're going to get even more clarity. So this is great news to hear that we're getting there. And then also for the 7th big upgrade, this is also to do with the front facing camera. This is also going to be upgraded too. We're actually going to be getting a 24 megapixel camera put inside of this time round. This is the first time we've had an upgrade since the likes of the iPhone 14 Pro kind of models. We've had that same kind of 12 megapixel kind of camera. So we're going to get an upgrade here. Again, that makes your selfie pictures look even better this time, far more sharper, better in low light. So this is great news to hear that this is also coming along to the likes of the iPhone 17. And then finally, for the 8th most important leak, what I think is a great one, is all to do with charging speeds ability. We're going to be getting Qi 2.2 added to the normal iPhone 17 models, and this means that wireless charging speeds can go up to 25 watts this time. This is great news to hear, because in the previous generations it was still MagSafe 15 watts. Only the 16 Pro and also the 16 Pro Max got that MagSafe 25 watt where you plug into a 30 watt adapter, but that doesn't matter anymore. You'll be able to plug on, say, a MagSafe power bank if it has Qi 2.2 on it, and you could actually charge this at 25 watts, and you can also just use a regular charger too. So this is great news to hear that the iPhone 17 normal is getting this. But really guys, those are the best upgrades I would say are coming to the iPhone 17 normal, and also the new iPhone 17 normal, like I said, is coming out in a matter of weeks near the beginning of September time. Are you excited for this? Are you going to be getting one? Well, let me know in the comments below. And with that as well guys, it's time to wrap up this video too. So if you have enjoyed watching it, please do press the like button. As always, if you want to hear the latest Apple news, reviews and comparisons, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell. Until next time guys, I'll see you really soon. Take care. Bye bye.